With just a few clicks, you can automate your cold email outreach, improve deliverability, and scale your sales campaigns, all with Instantly AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're looking at Instantly AI, a powerful sales engagement and lead intelligence platform designed to help businesses automate email outreach and boost conversions. Whether you're a marketer, agency, or sales team, Instantly AI uses AI-driven tools to optimize your campaigns, manage leads, and improve inbox placement. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Instantly AI? Instantly AI is a subscription-based platform that automates cold email campaigns at scale. It offers features like AI inbox management, AI content writing, spam checking, email warm-up, and detailed analytics to help you reach more prospects effectively. The platform supports unlimited email accounts and warm-ups, making it suitable for agencies, startups, and enterprises aiming to grow their outreach without manual effort. Price. Instantly AI offers several pricing plans, mainly under 3 categories: sending and warm-up, leads, and CRM. Here are some key plans for sending and warm-up. Growth plan, around $30 to $37 per month, includes 5,000 emails monthly, 1,000 uploaded contacts, unlimited email accounts, and warm-up. Hypergrowth plan, around $77 to $97 per month, includes 100,000 emails monthly, 25,000 contacts, and premium support. Lightspeed plan, around $286 to $358 per month, includes 500,000 emails monthly and 100,000 contacts. Enterprise, custom pricing for very large volumes and additional features. Note, pricing can vary based on billing cycles and add-ons. There is often a free trial or demo available to test features before committing. That wraps up our review of Instantly AI. If you have any questions or want a deeper dive into advanced features, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.